Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin and I'm celebrating 2,000 subscribers and my birthday. And I just wanted to start off by saying thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane and I can't believe it myself. But I am doing a giveaway in honor of this and I'm super excited to give you guys a little something in return for supporting me all these years. It's almost my 10-year anniversary on YouTube, which is quite crazy. And I know I don't do face-to-face videos very often, but I do plan on doing more of them thanks to a new camera I got for my birthday this year. It is the Canon T6i from the Rebel series. And I'll have a link down below if you want to look at the specs, but it has the cool like flip out screen so I can see myself while I'm filming these videos and make sure it's in focus, which is one of those things I really dreaded with using my other camera. But don't worry, I'm keeping my other DSLR as well so I can take more photos and bring that to like rugged places and not like the new Precious camera. So we're going to dive into the giveaway. I'm going to show you everything that you could win. There are going to be 3 winners, so stay tuned for the big prize at the end and for how to enter at the end. So to start off, I'm sending out 2 stash prizes. So these are things that I keep in my giveaway drawers, which are actually to the right of me right now. So if you would like to see a craft room tour where I show you some of those things in those drawers, you can check it out, linked down below. But to start off, I have a giant box of goodies here, which is just full of all sorts of things. But I'm going to give away half of this to each of you who win. And this is open internationally, but again, all the rules will be at the end. So to start off, I have these Pebbles Birthday Wishes puffy stickers. And I did buy some of these specific for the giveaway, like these are birthday stickers, which are super, super cute. Cute colors, again, from Pebbles. I have these Royal and Langnickel water brushes, and I do have these ones. I've used them in some videos before. They come in 3 sizes. I might split this up so one of you will get 2 and one of you get 1. I might have another aqua brush in my stash so I can give you each 2. But just to get you guys into the watercoloring mode or coloring your images, because you now have several stamp sets. Let me find all of them maybe. Well, here's 2 of the bigger ones. These are by Hampton Arts, and I featured these in a haul once, but they're absolutely beautiful, perfect for cards. Here, let's see if we can get a closer up view. So you got some trees and some landscape pieces. They're like stained glass look, and they have some sentiments with them, so you can make cards, and also little icons, which are perfect for scrapbook backgrounds. We have a Studio G chipboard set. It's got a beautiful chipboard. Valentine's Day themed, but you know, it's not Valentine's Day yet, but it will be. There's another Hampton Art stamp set. This one's got a butterfly theme going on. Very cute. I have a Sweet Stamp Shop set. I don't know what this one's called, Perfect Panda, which is just these really, really adorable pandas. And bear with me while I get used to my new camera. And then also this new setup, like filming in front of the doors is different for me. I usually don't do that. One of my favorite things in the giveaway is this thicker set, and I do have a second one of these to give away to the other person. I just didn't put both of them in the box because they take up too much room. But these are the Family Phrase stickers, and I'm not sure which collection they're from, but they're beautiful gold glitter. And again, I have 2 sets, so both of you will be getting a thicker set. Next up we have, there's just a million of these in the bottom of the box, but I always have extra and spare tags. So there's like 50 million. I do have copies for each of you of each kind, so lots of tags, which are some of my favorite things to use. Let's see, we have a little Studio Calico Hello Forever stamp set, perfect for our project lifers out there. Got the numbers and then the days of the week. We have some washi tape. I believe both of these are from IKEA. We have a pink polka dot and a green diagonal stripe. Fun. We have some roller date stamps in here. I have one from Dear Lizzie and one from Amy Tangerine. I don't have what they say on each of them. They came in a multi-pack. So you'll be getting one of these. And again, they're both phrase stamps, which they won't focus very well, but maybe you can read a couple of them there. It's just all piling up in my lap now, and this is a poor idea. I have a couple like things that a lot of people don't use on layouts, but I think it's always a challenge to get fun things like that you wouldn't normally use. So I decided to put in this Recollections ribbon pink set, and then these Recollection burlap flowers, which honestly a lot of this stuff is things I purchased. I like to buy good deals when I find them, just because I know I want to do giveaways for you guys, and if I find a good deal I want to share it with you. Like in my last giveaway, which is now ended, but I bought a 60-cent 6x6 paper pad, and it was just like, how could I not buy another one to share with you guys? We have some Kane Company Smash page tabs, which these are really cute. They say want, need, make, bake, and buy, which is perfect for planners or anything like that. So many options. And also, sorry for the glare. I don't know how to set up lights for a front-facing video. As you can tell, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun trying to do it. More tags. Various tags. There's a lot of pink and blue. That seems to be colors that I tend to gravitate towards. Here's another stamp set, and I'm going to put this behind it so you can see it a little bit better. And these are some border stamps. Really cute. And then behind that, this is the Color Box Sticky Journal Stack in School Edition, which is perfect with school starting up right around the corner. So you have this side, which is like a journaling side. And then these sides, you have another little journaling spots. So I think they're like different colors as you go down, so it's fun to have different patterns each time. We have some Recollections labels, and there are 30 in here, and they're just little white labels. Perfect. That's not going to focus very well. Perfect for journaling or putting a title on a page. We have some wood block stamps. I have one bunny, one merry and bright, and then one cheers, which this could be Christmas or New Year's. And then I also have one more washi tape. This one's a green glitter washi tape. And then lastly, to end the celebration of this giveaway, at least for the first 2 prizes. So this is 2 prizes. They're just intermixed right now. I have these die cuts, which I hauled quite a bit ago, but I said I was going to give them away in an upcoming giveaway. I finally am, but they are the llama and alpaca, not sure, llama and alpaca and sombrero pieces. So you'll just be getting a bunch of these. As you can see, I have a bunch here, but they're just adorable little creatures. I used one on a previous layout, so now that I'm done using them, I decided I don't need 800 llamas, but you'll be getting all of this stuff between the 2 of you that win, and I'll be able to ship that out to you once you send me your address and all of that jazz. And then we also have the, I don't want to call it a grand prize, but it's just another prize because I wanted you guys to be excited about this giveaway, and I wanted to give away something that was sort of new in the industry. So I'm giving away a Tim Holtz stamping platform. If you haven't seen those, I'll insert a picture, hopefully on screen right here. Let's see my editing skills at work. But I'm going to give one of those away to one of you. So I'll just be able to buy it offline and ship it directly to you. That way I don't have to repackage it once it comes here. And also the first 2 prizes are not exclusive to just that stuff. I plan on adding more. I purchased some stuff online for you guys, but it hasn't come in yet before my birthday. And obviously I wanted to post this on my birthday. So more to come for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed what I picked out for you. But I'm just really amazed at hitting 2,000 subscribers. I never thought when I started back in middle school that I would ever reach a feat that large. I plan on continuing to grow and develop and produce more content, and I'm starting new series and new ideas all for you guys. And if you have suggestions, always leave them down below. I know I have a lot of ideas to catch up on because you guys are always full of great ideas, but they are all coming, and I hope to one day make this my full-time career, but we'll see where life takes us. Right now this is a part-time gig, as you know, but I will be continuing making content every single week for you guys. So if you are new here, welcome. I hope you are subscribed so you can enter this giveaway, but we'll enter the rules now. Like I said, this is an international giveaway. If for some reason I can't send you a package, or if there's issues with mailing a package to you, or like if you win the Tim Holtz platform and I can't mail it to you for some reason, we'll figure something else out, maybe a gift card to get one instead. So don't worry about that if you're international, we'll figure it out. So this is open to everyone in the world. You have to be subscribed to me, very important there, because I want to hit 3,000 subscribers so I can do another giveaway. And you have to leave a comment down below with a video idea. I do this every time because you guys always inspire me to make new videos, and you never cease to amaze me with your great ideas. They're just always so great. So that's 2 steps right there. And then thirdly, you have to like this video. Likes help the YouTube algorithm, so this will show up in more people's feeds, and I'll grow bigger, and then I can do this as a full-time job. As you guys know, I'd love to do this as a full-time job, but we'll see where it takes us. So those are the 3 rules to enter. Just be subscribed, leave a comment, and then like this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this is open internationally, so all my international friends can enter. And if you have any questions about the giveaway, don't hesitate to ask, I should say. And I'm again so grateful for everything you guys have given to me, all the love and support over these years, and I'm super excited to see where it takes us next. So thank you guys for celebrating my birthday with me and for entering my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!